Welcome back, nail queens. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 4 new gel polishes that came in the Madam Glam April collection. Also, if you are a VIP you always get 50% off, but if you're not a VIP I have a 30% off discount code linked in the description box below if you want to shop and save some money. But let me take you through these 4 shades they sent over. So the first color is called El Rey and it's this beautiful turquoise color. Sorry about rolling my R, I speak Spanish so I'm like ooh rah. Anyways, and then Angelic Sonata is this beautiful light pink, purple. Carol, get it together. This is the pink. Yes, and I didn't even show you the name. Shame on me. But the pink is called Royal Pink. What a simple name. And this confetti no wipe top coat looks so fun and perfect for spring and Easter nails, and I bet it would look great over like a dark base as like a splatter neon nails as well. I definitely want to try that. But to get into today's mani design, I'm going to use soft pink. It's one of my favorite soft pink gel polishes from Madam Glam. I use this on a lot of nail sets. It basically gives you like that natural pink, natural nail kind of vibe. So I apply 2, sometimes 3 coats of this on my nails, but usually 2. It depends on how opaque I want it to be. So I cured between layers and now you're seeing me apply my second coat. I mean, I'm kind of like skipping through this so you guys don't see the boring curing parts. But after I cure that second coat, then I take the Velvet Matte top coat and I apply a layer of this to the entire nail. And let me tell you, a matte top coat is a must-have if you love doing nail art with gel, because it just makes the perfect canvas, the perfect surface for nail art. So I have this silver gel paint from Madam Glam. I actually love all of their gel paints and the silver is just simply stunning. So I'm going to take my dotting tool and put little circles in 2 spots on every single nail that I'm painting, because it's going to be the core, kind of like the center of the flowers I'm about to paint. I'm going to take the 3 solid gel colors that they sent and put a little bit in 3 different spots on this nail art palette here, because I'm going to be using a nail art brush from the Painted Desert to pick up the color. So you're going to see me pick up the 5mm brush. I think it's the perfect length for what I'm about to do, and I'm just going to pick up a little dollop. I'm basically trying to form a little bead on the tip of the brush so that I can paint little petals just like this all over the nail. And when I need to change colors, I just take a lint-free wipe and I just dry wipe the brush gently through that and I get rid of the color. But basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the gel and putting it on the tip of the brush and then putting the tip on the nail and dragging it towards the center of the flower while also lifting up. So hopefully this makes sense and you can see exactly what I'm doing, but it's basically how I've been doing the 3D textured kind of like embroidered designs lately. I've been loving this style. I had a customer request that I do this for one of her press-on nail sets last month. I did it, I fell in love with it, and then my sister also requested a very similar design to that one, and I'm like, you know what, let me do some more of this. So I've really been in love with the embroidered designs, and I love that you can use regular gel polish to do it if it's not too runny of a consistency. Then when all of my petals are done, I take a matte top coat and I cover the entire design with the matte top coat. You just apply a very thin layer. It does not have to be thick at all. Go ahead and cure that in the nail lamp, and then I'm taking my dotting tool and a glossy top coat and I'm going over where I put the silver, and I'm basically making the silver parts glossy because I want those to sparkle and shine. So you're going to notice me put it in 4 parts of the nail because I put silver on other parts of the nail as well, not only inside the petals. So I added my glossy top coat, cured that for a full minute, and then wham bam, we are done. Here are all of the nails all done. They turned out beautiful. I loved it. I did not want to take this set off at all. I wanted to wear this all spring long, and I probably will. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was very short, but I'm sick right now, so I can't speak for super long doing the voiceovers. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!